Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll be giving you leave-in conditioner recommendation based on demand. A lot of people has asked me to recommend an affordable leave-in conditioner here in Nigeria. So in today's video, that is what we'll be doing. When choosing a product for your hair, you don't have to go for the most expensive. There are affordable products that you can venture into, you can use for your hair, and it will still give you what you're looking for. So you don't have to go for the most expensive. There are affordable products that you can venture into, and it will give you exactly what you want. And in our present economy, you cannot afford to waste money on hair growth product or hair care product because you have a lot of things that you need money for, and hair care is like least in your priority. I know you have to take care of your hair, but I'm just trying to tell you that you don't have to spend much while taking care of your hair. You can do the less for more. I don't know if you understand. You can do less, like you can spend less money and still grow your hair. Lots of people already believe that natural hair is very expensive and you have to buy the most expensive products for you to grow hair. Meanwhile, that is not true. You can even buy the least expensive products in the market that works for your hair and your hair will still grow. So first on my list today is, I'm going to start this in this category. I'm going to start from the highest to the lowest. Okay, so I'm going to give you recommendation of products from 4,000 naira. So the highest on my list is 3,500. It is not even up to 4,000. So the first on my list is the Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. Here is the product right here. This product, I've been using it for like 4 years now, and this product have served me eight. If I was gonna rate it, I'm gonna give it 8/10. This product right here is very, very moisturizing. This will keep your hair moisturized for at least 4 to 5 days, and it contains a whole lot of beneficial product for your hair. It contains coconut oil, it contains water. Any conditioner you see that contains water, please go for it. The first thing you're going to see there is water. You know it is majorly water, and it will hydrate your hair so well and keep it moisturized. It contains olive oil, it contains shea butter, it contains argan oil, it also contains glycerin, it contains ginseng root extract. It contains propylene glycol. It also contains vegetable protein. It contains a whole lot of things. Let me show you. It contains a lot, a lot. It's not something I can start reading to you now, but I recommend this product. It is highly recommended and it is very, very affordable. Because of the current economy, this product is sold for 3,500. Even though they have smaller one and the big one, this is the bigger one. The smaller one is sold for around 1,500, and this one, the bigger one, is sold for 3,500. So it is very, very affordable and it will get your hair very, very moisturized. So I recommend this product. If you're looking for a product that is less than 4K, this one is highly recommended. So the second on my list is Nature Gentle Touch. Nature Gentle Touch leave-in conditioner. Even though this is not the leave-in conditioner, I have already finished using the leave-in conditioner and the bottle is no longer here. That is why I decided to bring this one to show you guys what it looks like. But if you're going for the leave-in conditioner, this place is blue and it will be written leave-in conditioner here. So you guys should pay attention just in case if you want to get this product. And if I was to rate this product, I'm going to rate it 7/10. This product is moisturizing, even though it does not contain as much sleep as the Mega Growth product, but it still keeps your hair very soft and hydrated. This product contains aqua. That is the first thing you need to look out for when choosing a product for your hair, because water is very important for our natural hair. So the first thing you're going to see here is aqua. It contains aqua, which is water. It contains citric acid. It contains castor oil. It also contains shea butter. It contains vitamin E. It also contains jojoba. It contains a lot of products that are good for your hair. So this is highly recommended. If you're looking for a cheap or an affordable leave-in conditioner, you should go for Nature Gentle Touch. It will give you what you're looking for. And this product is under 4,000. This one is sold for 3,000, which is the big bottle. They have like it's this size. This is a smaller size, even though this is the shampoo, but they have a leave-in conditioner of this size. This one is sold for 1,005, the smaller size, while the bigger bottle is sold for 3,000, and it is highly recommended. So the third on my list is the Mediana Leave-In Conditioning Milk. I don't have the bottle here. I would have shown you guys. But I'm going to insert it somewhere here. So I'll show you guys. But I have used it in the past. And all this recommendation is based on the product I have used. The reason why I decided to include it here is because I have used this in the past, and also it is less than 4K. This is actually, I don't know if I should say the second to the most cheapest conditioner I have used. This conditioner is so cheap, and it contains goat milk, like goat milk extract. This conditioner is formulated with blends of natural ingredients and oil. It contains jojoba oil, it contains argan oil, it contains coconut oil, it contains castor oil. This conditioner is packed with a whole lot of natural oil for your hair. It is very moisturizing, and it can also help you detangle your hair. But based on my experience, what I'm talking about now is my personal experience. It is kind of liquidy, like it is not as thick as the Nature Gentle Touch or the Mega Growth. It is kind of liquidy, like in a liquid form, so it dries up easily. When you use it and then you don't go in with a thick butter, it dries up because of the consistency. So that is why I'm going to rate this conditioner 5/10. I think, yeah, I'm going to rate it 5/10. But it is based on the market price. It is sold for around 2,000. As you can see, it is sold for 2,000. Like, it is so cheap for what it gives, for the quality is giving. It is very, very cheap in this current economy. We all know that how everything is rising up, everything is expensive in the market, but this conditioner you can still get it for 2,000 naira. So I recommend this for you. If you have less than 3K and you're looking for conditioner that you can use to moisturize your hair or detangle your hair, this Medina conditioner is highly recommended for you. Last but not the least on my list is the Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. This is like the cheapest leave-in conditioner in the market right now. I have to even go to the market to make sure of the price, to ask about the price, because you know the current situation of Nigerian economy, everything is rising. But lo and behold, this conditioner is sold for 1,500 naira. Like, that is the cheapest conditioner you can get. And this conditioner will help you soften your hair. It is good for natural hair. It will help you detangle your hair. If you want to venture into natural hair but you don't have money, you don't want to spend much, but you still want a product that will help you detangle and moisturize your hair, you should go for this Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. I can recommend this product to you because I have used this in the past, and I'm going to give it 8/10 based on the price. It is very cheap for the quality it has. So if you're looking for a cheap product right now, you should go for Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. This is where we draw the curtains. In my next video, I'm going to do the most affordable deep conditioner. Then, before we will do the most affordable shampoos in the market. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, like, and comment. If you have used this product, please do not hesitate to drop your comment in the comment section to encourage another person that is looking to purchase any of these products. All right, we have come to the end of this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. All right, before you leave, do have a lovely day and see you in my next upload. Bye bye.